Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In this episode, magre-review tayo ng dalawang klase ng beer. Actually, isang klase lang ng beer, pero dalawang brand. This is Hoegaarden Wheat Beer. At saka, San Miguel Cerveza Blanca, also wheat beer. Now, itong Hoegaarden, matagal na to dito sa market. It's the original Belgian wheat beer, Hoegaarden. Itong San Miguel Cerveza Blanca, kakalabas lang nito in the Philippines about 2 to 3 months ago. Meron ng ganito matagal na sa mga ibang bansa. May mga San Miguel brewery sa Thailand yata yun or sa Singapore na itong wheat beer nila was already in the market a long time ago. Ngayon lang nilabas dito sa Philippines itong San Miguel Cerveza Blanca. Parehong wheat beer ang paglalabanin natin tonight in this episode. Alin ang mas masarap, yung original Hoegaarden or itong San Miguel Cerveza Blanca? Pero bago natin tikman, alamin muna natin kung ano ingredient nitong dalawang brand ng wheat beer na to. This one, Hoegaarden, is wheat beer made with coriander and orange peel. Hanapin natin yung ingredients list niya. Water, barley, malt, wheat, hops, coriander, orange peel, and yeast. There's a description dito sa likod. Basahin din natin, no? It says here, almost 600 years ago in the Belgian village of Hoegaarden, a band of monks experimented by adding oddball botanicals from halfway around the world to their traditional wheat beer recipe. So, Hoegaarden pala is a place, it's a village in Belgium. That's good to know. Next naman, basahin natin yung label nitong San Miguel Cerveza Blanca. The ingredients are water, barley malt, wheat malt, spice extract, coriander, hops, and yeast extract. So, pareho silang merong coriander, but this one doesn't have orange peel in it. And then, the label or the descriptions of the beer itself, let's read it. San Miguel Cerveza Blanca is a truly satisfying wheat beer that harmoniously balances spicy, smoky, and fruity flavors with a whiff of citrus and mint in a hazy golden brew topped with a silky creamy head. And it says here, cloudy and with naturally occurring sediments. Ganun talaga ang characteristics ng wheat beer. Cloudy at saka hazy yung kulay niya. But let's see, sige, huwag na natin patagalin. Excited na akong tikman at ikumpara ang lasa nitong San Miguel Cerveza Blanca sa Hoegaarden. Unahin natin yung Hoegaarden. That's beautiful. Tignan naman natin itong San Miguel Cerveza Blanca. Alright, let's look at the color. Okay, tingnan nyo, right away, makikita mo na although pareho silang hazy, mas yellowish yung Hoegaarden at mas mukhang orange yung kulay nitong San Miguel Cerveza Blanca. In terms of the cloudiness, they're both very cloudy. Push na natin lahat. There, it's beautiful. Ang ganda ng kulay niya pareho. Excited na akong tikman. But before we continue, I'd like to ask a favor. If you're enjoying this video so far, or if you like this channel in general, please hit the like button down below. Like button down below. There, down below. Thank you for doing that. I really appreciate it. Tara, balik na tayo sa wheat beers. Let's go. Gusto kong unahin yung Hoegaarden. Smell it? Immediately, I smell some floral notes and citrusy notes. Kumpara ko yung amoy dito sa San Miguel. Oh, mas mabango itong San Miguel. Mas malakas yung floral notes niya. Mas amoy fruity also. Similar yung amoy niya. Mas strong lang talaga yung aroma ng San Miguel. Let's taste this one. This is Hoegaarden. Yes, as expected, masarap siya. It's what wheat beer actually tastes like. Hoegaarden, na-establish na yung sarili niya that this brand, na-establish na ng brand na to na ito talaga yung standard of wheat beer. Masarap siya. Ano ang karakteristik ng wheat beer? Sabi ng mga beer experts, ito yung parang pinakalasang tinapay, bread. So it feels like and it tastes like you're drinking bread. Because of course, bread is made from wheat, obviously. So yung taste ng parang may pagkatinapay na parang kang umiinom ng liquid version ng tinapay. Yun ang karakteristik ng wheat beer. Okay, masarap, Hoegaarden. Okay, let's taste San Miguel Cerveza Blanca. Okay. I feel like mas stronger yung flavors nitong San Miguel Cerveza Blanca. The taste profile is very similar. It's very bready. I don't know if it's if barley or hops yung nalalasahan kung other complications of the flavor. But I would describe na mas malakas yung lasa or yung flavors nitong San Miguel Cerveza Blanca. Pareho silang merong sweetness. That's what I forgot to mention. It's medyo sweet and it's medyo citrusy, combination of sweetness and citrusiness. But then again, dahil I think mas malakas yung flavors nitong San Miguel Cerveza Blanca, mas umaangat din yung bitterness niya. Pero it's very very faint lang yung lamang ng bitterness nitong Cerveza Blanca than Hoegaarden. Actually, itong Hoegaarden nga parang walang bitterness. In terms of alcohol content pala, ang alcohol content nitong Hoegaarden, 4.9% alcohol by volume. Ito namang Cerveza Blanca, it says here, 5.4% alcohol by volume. So kaya mas malakas I think yung flavor niya at yung bitterness. Dahil mas mataas yung alcohol content niya. Although, very small lang yung difference nila ng alcohol content. Excuse me, 4.9 versus 5.4%. When it comes to mouthfeel, I think I'm liking the mouthfeel of Hoegaarden more. Dahil nga less yung bitterness niya, kaya mas nalalasahan mo yung citrusy and yung sweet flavors, mas refreshing sa bibig. And then finally, let's talk about the finish. The finish is the feeling on your throat, in your throat, and in your mouth after you have drank or swallowed the beer. I like the finish more of San Miguel Cerveza Blanca because mas flavorful nga siya. I think mas nagsistay yung lasa, yung flavors. Okay, so overall, which one? Alin dito sa dalawang wheat beer na to ang mas nagustuhan ko? It's hard to say. It's hard to say kasi I'm not a fan of wheat beers. I'm a fan of San Miguel, of course. I will always go for the local beer. Hoegaarden naman is also good. Very good din naman. Masarap yan. Pareho silang masarap. But because I'm pro-Pinoy, I'm pro-local, I would choose or I would prefer to drink San Miguel Cerveza Blanca more often. I like them both, pero ang puso ko nasa San Miguel. Cheers! How about you guys? Umiinom din ba kayo ng San Miguel Cerveza Blanca? Let me know down in the comments kung nagustuhan nyo. And with that, thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Cheers!